Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Temi, if you don't know me, and I make videos on how to make money online. In this today video, I'm going to be sharing with you my 5 secret AI bots that I use to make money online, and it has able to generate nothing less than 2,000 per month for me. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the AI bot that I use. I'm going to be walking you through what you need to do with this AI bot that will be able to generate money from you. So if you really get value from this video, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button. And most importantly, guys, stay with me to the very end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you everything you need to do with this AI bot, guys. So let's go to my screen now and let me show you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So the first website we are going to be talking about is this one right here, iWriter. We will write any type of custom content. This includes articles, article rewrite, blog post, product description, and more. So how did you monetize this this website? What you just need to do, go to Fiverr, set up a gig on Fiverr on on article, like article content or blog post or whatever. So let me show you. Yeah, as you can see, this person right here, he said, I will be your SEO content writer, article and blog post writer. This one right here, he said, I will write a unique 500 words article on topic. Okay, let's select on this guy. This person right here, he said 500 words unique article. He's selling it $30. His standard is $425 and the premium is $875. So let's assume this website that I'm showing you right now, this person is using it. Okay, so let's check his basic plan. It's 500 words. If you come back to here and check how much is about 500 words, you can see $3.30. So as you can see how much he's selling it $30. So this person right here now is gaining $27, right? 27.70, right? Yeah, 70 cents, $27, 70 cents. As you can see, if you check the 500, let's say 1,500 words. If you come right here, how much is 1,500? Yeah, 12.50, and you can see how much is gaining, and you can see. So you can basically do the same thing. You can write blog, you can write article for anybody. Just come right here, come down right here, order for custom content writer. So once you've done that, you hit the amount of the words, maybe 500 words, 700 words. Just select it and pay them. Copy the article, send it to that person on Fiverr, and you will get paid for it, and you make your gain. So that's how it works, guys. So yeah, so the second one is this right here, invideo.io. So what this website does for you is that it creates video, a YouTube video, like short video, like 1 minute, 2 minutes. It depends on the minute you want, guys. So this is all the videos that I have made with this this AI right here, all the video, and I upload this video on YouTube using YouTube. So how do you do this? Click on the link in the description below, set up your account, set up your profile, and come right here. This is my dashboard right now. As you can see, just come right here, text to video, just click this, select your template, select anything. If you are creating video for for YouTube, 16.9 square, portrait is for phone. Just if you are selecting for phone, you click this. If you are selecting for YouTube, you click this one right here, use template. Yeah, so the next page now is asking you for your script. It's asking you for your script. So this is where you put your script. Go back to Fiverr. If you don't know how to write your script, go to Fiverr, contact someone to write a script for you. But I normally write my script myself. So just select that thing, copy the article right here, paste it right here, the headline. So once you've done that, you just hit next. So what this will do for you is that it will gather to make the videos for you. It will gather all the necessary information you needed. So once you've done that, just download the video, put it on YouTube, and start so that's how it works. So the third one is this one right here. Also, it's almost like the InVideo. This one is called Pictory.ai. So set up your account. Once you set up your account, you end up here. So as you can see, script to video, article to video. So if you see any article online that really amazes you, you can just copy the URL of that link, put it right here, and hit proceed. So it's gonna create a video related to the article you put right here. So but me, what I normally do is that I write my script myself, and I come right here, I use this one right here. So that script, copied it, paste it right here, hit proceed. So once you've done that, it's gonna create that video for you also. So download the video and you can upload it on YouTube anywhere you like. Just put it right there. So what is their plan? The plan is not really that much. As you can see, standard is $19, premium is $39. So the one I use myself is $39 per month. So you can just go for this one if you wish. It's not free though. It's not free. These two that I show you right now, they are not free. But InVideo, you can just use it for free, but there will be a watermark. Any video you create, there will be a watermark of InVideo. So anybody that watch your video, you know that this video is made from InVideo.com. So but this one right here, their watermark also will be there. But if you use their paid plan, they will remove it. They will remove the watermark from it. So that's how it works, guys. So the fourth one right now, but before I show you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and anyhow I drop amazing video like this one you are watching right now, you won't be missing out. So the fourth one right now is this one right here, writesonic.com. This one is a powerful AI, that writes, it has a lot of fixtures, guys. You can see article, an instant article that will generate 1,500 words article in one click. This is an automated process to your title. So automated process, so your title must be precise. Article writer, you can check it, guys. It has a lot of fixtures, guys. So what you just do that you write, if you have a website and you are writing a blog, a blog poster, you can just come right here, put in your topic, just enter it with one click. If you generate that, everything, the article is going to generate it for you. You can also set up, you can also use this on Fiverr, you can use it for Fiverr also. So you can set up your Facebook ad with it, your YouTube, your Instagram caption, your Quora. This if you are on Quora, if you have any question on Quora, just come right here, put in the question, it will generate the answer for you. So you copy the answer, put it on Quora. You can even put your affiliate link right there. You can even put your affiliate link, so anybody that click on your affiliate link, you'll be getting money from it. So the last one that I'm going to show you right now is this one right here, this AI powered ad creative. This what this AI bot does for you is that it creates ads, video ads for you, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 30 minutes, like 5 minutes, whatever. So eye-catching ads. How did you monetize this channel? This AI bot, you can just go to Fiverr, just type in something like Facebook ads or Instagram ads. Yeah, you can see a lot of people, they are selling their gig. This one is selling his gig 150. This one is let's check this one out. Say strategy and planning. Standard is $60, premium is $100. If you check this one right here, so any buyers that come right here that ordered for your service, just come right here, hit this generate. But before that, once you hit this generate, you set up your account with it. So how did you make this video? You just upload the brand, the size of that video, the text, and some images, and it generates. So it's gonna generate the videos for you. So just download the video, send it to that person. That's how it works, guys. So but on this website, it's not paid, it's not free, it's not for free. You can check their plan, and the starter plan is just $29. The premium is $59. The ultimate is $99. So what Once you've done that, you've registered, they will be giving you 7-day free trial to try this this AI, to try it for 7 days. So after 7 days, if you are satisfied, you can continue with them. But if you are not, you can just cancel. No question asked, no hard feeling. So, but I promise you, you will love it. I'm using this myself, so and I have no doubt. I don't have any complaint. So all these websites that I show you, I use them myself, and they are making a killings for me. So you can just also you can do that. So don't forget, all the link they are in the description below. So if you are getting any difficulties, in set up your account, or you don't know how to make the videos, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll be glad to reply you back. So if you really get value from the video, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and anyhow I drop amazing video like this one you are watching right now, you won't be missing out. So until I see you in my next video, guys, don't forget, Temi loves you. Bye.